You don't need to know how to conjugate verbs in the future tense to talk about the future in Brazilian Portuguese. In fact, if you rely on it too much, you might sound like a textbook. In today's lesson, you learn how to talk about the future like a Brazilian. Olá pessoal, this lesson is part of a series on verb conjugations. Below is the link to the full playlist. Well, the formal future tense, o futuro do presente, as it's called in Portuguese, has one of the simplest patterns. Almost all verbs, whether they end in AR, ER, IR, OR, follow the same rule. Check it out. Estudar, to study. Eu estudarei. Você, ele, ela, a gente estudará. Nós estudaremos. Vocês, eles, elas estudarão. As I included nós because the future tense is used in more formal settings. So, estudarei, estudará, estudaremos, estudarão. How about comer, to eat? Comerei, comerá, comeremos, comerão. Assistir, to watch. Assistirei, assistirá, assistiremos, assistirão. Even the weird, irregular verbs like ser, estar, ir, vir, por follow this pattern. Give it a try with ser. Serei, será, seremos, serão. Estar. Estarei, estará, estaremos, estarão. Ir, irei, irá, iremos, irão. Vir, virei, virá, viremos, virão. Por, porei, porá, poremos, porão. Told you, one of the simplest patterns. Now, there are a few tricky ones though, like dizer, trazer, fazer. Check it out. Dizer becomes direi, dirá, diremos, dirão. Now, trazer. Trarei, trará, traremos, trarão. Fazer? Farei, fará, faremos, farão. So yes, it's easy to learn. But here's the thing. We rarely use this tense in daily conversations. In really spoken Brazilian Portuguese, we use a much simpler formula. We use the verb ir to go in the present tense plus a verb in its infinitive form. So instead of eu estudarei, we say eu vou estudar. Yeah, so vou is the present tense of ir. Eu vou estudar. Instead of nós comeremos. Nós vamos comer. Nós vamos comer. Or even better, a gente vai comer. Instead of eles assistirão. Eles vão assistir. It's efficient, it's natural, and it's how Brazilians actually speak. Way simpler, right? If this tip just saved you hours of memorization, hit the like button. It really helps us create more practical lessons for you. Oh, thank you very much. Now, before you go, there are two exceptions where the future tense or a third option work better. Avoid saying vou ir or vou vir. Yes, avoid the combination of ir plus ir or ir plus vir. No. So, for example, instead of eu vou ir ao restaurante, say eu irei ao restaurante, or use the present tense of ir. Eu vou ao restaurante. Instead of eu vou vir mais tarde, say eu virei mais tarde, the future tense, or the present tense of vir. Eu venho mais tarde. Yes? You can absolutely use the formal future in writing, but in speaking, stick to the ir plus infinitive formula, keeping those exceptions in mind. And click here for more practice on how to sound more natural in Brazilian Portuguese. Thank you very much for watching another lesson. See you next time. Até a próxima. Tchau!